Okay, hey guys, welcome to another great tutorial from Moody Tech. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you all how to register and make money on the Opera News Hub quickly. Okay, so this is going to be a step-by-step training on how you could earn lots of money publishing your articles on the Opera News Hub. So if you are one of those who have ever wondered of how to make money online, or you don't know which way to go or what to do or how to start, and if this has been your question, well, I want to welcome you all to this great tutorial, because in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you all the step-by-step guide on how to publish your articles and get approved on the Opera News Hub. Okay guys, so what are the things that you need to know about this platform? The first thing to know is that Opera News Hub is the best platform to make money as an author right now in Nigeria. The other thing to note is that you can earn as much as 80 to 100k weekly as a writer from the comfort of your home. Can you imagine that? So those of us that are very good in content writing, those of us that are good in article writing, we can earn as much as 80 to 100k weekly writing our articles and publishing it on this platform. Another thing to note is that if you are a blogger, publishing your articles on this platform can give you backlinks and traffic opportunities. What are backlinks? Backlinks are redirection back to your blog. And traffic opportunity. Currently, Opera News Hub has over 30 million users. So just imagine you pasting your articles on this platform. Imagine the number of traffic you are getting to your blog. Another thing to note is that you can withdraw your funds easily. What do I mean by easily? You can withdraw your funds easily to your local bank account. Yes, you can get paid directly to your local bank account. All you need to do is to have an app that I will show you guys later on in the video, and how you can link this app directly to your bank account. Okay guys, so what to expect in this training? Number one, I'm going to be telling you guys how the Opera News Hub works. Number two, I'm going to be showing you and teaching you step by step on how to set up your account successfully. The third thing I'm going to be showing you all is how to create your first post on the Opera News Hub. The fourth thing I'm going to show you guys is how to get your post approved. Yes, all posts posted on the Opera News Hub have to go through approval before they are visible for the public to see. Then the fifth thing I'm going to be showing you all is how to get good content to post. Yes, many of us might say, I'm not that good in article writing, or I don't have any knowledge in article writing. Well, that's why you need this training. Okay, so in this training I'm going to be showing you how to get good content to post and where to get those contents to post on your Opera News Hub account. Okay, so the sixth thing I'm going to be teaching you all is how to withdraw your earnings from the Opera News Hub. And lastly, I'll be showing you all how you can make up to $200. Yes, $200 currently is 557 naira. So just imagine you are making $200 from Opera News Hub, which is 115k weekly, publishing your content on the Opera News Hub. Wow, this is very interesting. You can see this opportunity that lies online. Yes, you can make legit money posting your news on the Opera News Hub. Okay, now, so without further ado, we'll kick off this training right now.